General Screens. Welcome to Stalkit Tutorials. In these series of videos, I will teach you how to easily create scrapers in Stalkit. The first 3 videos are highly recommended and will cover most of the screens and options available. The following 8 videos will show you step by step how to create different types of scrapers, add text modifications on the output, and download images or files. Videos 12 to 19 will show you full use cases of building different scrapers on some famous sources. In video number 20, I will reveal to you some cool tricks on how to find hidden data and make your scrapers run faster. So, let's start away with the first screen you see when you log into Stalkit Control Panel, the Projects page. When your user is created, you will see a default project named Scraping Created. You can choose to create each scraper setup in a different project or save them all in one project. For each project, you can edit its name, add an image URL to be able to easily navigate between projects, and add a short description about what this project includes. Adding a new project is simply done by clicking on the New Project button and entering its details. You can also use the search bar to filter your projects by their names. The next screen, after we select one of the projects, is the Scrapers tab. This is the main page that shows you the list of all scrapers created and connected to the project selected. For each scraper, you can see its status, the source of what it's set up to scrape. It can be a website URL or a list created from another scraper. The following columns will show you the name of the scraper, which is given when you create the scraper, the progress bar, showing what percentage is completed, how many rows are collected, and the current status of the scraper. In case the scraper is not currently running, it will display how many minutes have passed since the last run. If it's running, it will show you the status and how many servers are actively running on this task. On the right side, you have a menu button which opens a list of actions you can perform on the scraper. You can view the data collected for the scraper. You can watch and refresh it even when the scraper is running, export data, and do some cool text modifications on the output to make it look exactly how you need it. We will go deeper on this screen and the list of things you can do in videos 7 and 8. Other actions you can do is change the settings on the scraper, which we will cover in the next 2 videos. View the log and check if any errors occurred while scraping. Clean the data, duplicate the scraper, delete it, and recover a version, which can be very useful in case you made some changes and you want to undo them. Let's go into the log screen now and see what you can find there. This window will automatically refresh every few seconds, so you can just keep it open and watch the progress of the scraper while it's running. In the top table, you can see step-by-step details of what the scraper is running on. If you choose to save screenshots in the scraper settings, you will be able to view a screenshot of each page that is being scraped. You can zoom in and out with the mouse wheel in case it's a long page. In the log table, you can view the data and time of each step. The log lever, if it's just info or an error. The next column will show you the server belongs to this line. If you run big projects or have some urgent task, you can control in the setup on how many servers you want to run the scraper and how many sessions you want to run in each server. The default view of the log screen will show you the progress of all the servers together. However, you can use the filters panel and focus on just one server. You can also use the other filters and show only errors or search for specific text in the logs. This is all for this video. In the next video, we will go over the first setup screens to create your new scraper.